Karnataka plans Queen City as education and innovation hub. Karnataka opposes UGC guidelines on Vice Chancellor appointments. IIT Bombay launches online EV diploma to power $500 billion industry. Maharashtra RTE Admissions 2025 registration begins for over 1 lakh seats. ISRO chief encourages holistic growth for students.
Welcome to Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top education news are: Karnataka's Minister M.B. Patil announced plans for Queen City, a futuristic 5,800 crore hub to host global institutions. The city will focus for 4 areas, that is knowledge, health, innovation and research. Patil has offered land for the Tata IISc Medical School as a part of 500 crore agreement between Tata Group and IISc. Queen aims to attract top international educational institutions including Johns Hopkins and University of Liverpool. The city will also feature a life sciences park to become Asia's leading academic medical hub, focusing on academia-industry partnerships. Queen will drive local economic growth and establish Karnataka as a global educational leader. Karnataka has strongly opposed the draft of UGC guidelines on Vice Chancellor appointments, arguing that they threaten the federal structure. The guidelines suggest a research committee solely appointed by the Chancellor or visitors, with no state government representations. Karnataka's Higher Education Minister Dr. M.C. Sudhakar called this a direct assault on the state's role in governance. The draft also proposes giving exclusive powers to the Chancellor for appointing Vice Chancellors, conflicting with state laws and undermining the state's authority. Karnataka has urged for broader consultations with the state governments to address higher education issues, stressing that centralization could harm the quality of education. The ongoing tensions between the state government and the governor have also fueled these objections. IIT Bombay has launched an 18-month e-postgraduate diploma in e-mobility designed for professionals aiming to join the becoming electric vehicle sector. Starting in March 2025, the online program delivered by IIT faculty and partnered with a Great Learning offers practical training in EV technologies, including vehicle design, battery system and power electronics. Graduates will earn IIT Bombay alumni status and access a robust network and hiring opportunities. The growing $500 billion global EV market, expected to generate 5 crore jobs by 2030, creates a high demand for skilled professionals. The program is open to engineers, scientists, and graduates with a relevant technical background. The Maharashtra RTE Admissions 2025 process has officially started. Parents can apply online for reserved seats in private schools under the Right to Education Act at student.maharashtra.gov.in until January 27. Over 1,08,961 seats are available across 8,849 schools, including 18,451 seats in Pune. The RTE schemes reserves 25% of the seats in private, unaided and municipal schools for children from economically weaker sections. To apply, parents need to create an account, provide accurate details and submit necessary documents, including income certificates. A lottery system will be used for seats allocation. Full vacancy list and further details are available on the official portal. New ISRO chief Dr. V. Narayan emphasized the importance of holistic personality development for students, urging them to focus on just on academic marks but on how they study and grow as individuals. Speaking about his humble beginnings, Narayan highlighted the significance of both intellectual and value-based education. He encouraged students to combine academic learning with social responsibility, emphasizing how to serve society and help others. Dr. Narayan also expressed gratitude for the support of his family and colleagues, stressing ISRO's collective efforts towards national progress. He further appealed to students to contribute to India's development, aligning with Prime Minister Modi's vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theENM.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.